Japan.
Sa natin yan.
Good morning. Good afternoon na pala. Hinihintay ng mga bata. Para kayo maigi, ha? Kasi magsisikap ako. Kaya tingnan mo yun. At 2 minutes.
Chairman.
Kung gusto nyo, doon kayo. Doon na lang kayo. Sorry. Rektora, lagyan mo. We just last Monday, no? I'm sorry. Paul? Okay. Kasi siya na kayo at minadali ko kagad ko. Last night, about 7 o'clock, even Batangas pala in the past experienced the same hardship with Jet. But they went it up to 500. Now, with the new leadership of Jet, hopefully, they'll come to their senses and logical point that they cannot operate with that kind of head-on with the universities. Masabi ko naman, kasi commitment ko kay President sa kay Chairman ay paralang dito sa today, I would like to inform you through the airport and the taxpayers of Manila are happy to inform you that we are going to give top water. That is a total amount of 117